In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to create simple stories. Simple stories that you can monetize, you can upload them on YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, depending on the platform of your choice. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to create those stories using one simple tool. Yes, you don't need to have any previous editing skills. I'm going to be showing you from the start, from how to generate the story idea to how to create the story. Yes, I'm going to be showing you guys an example of a story I made using those two. And yes, oh, that's my story.
Meet Jane Francis, an 18-year-old girl born in a middle-class family from Nigeria, determined to become somebody in life. She is a good video editor, and so she decided to create a YouTube channel where she shares her knowledge. Jane Francis started sharing the knowledge she has on tech trends and innovations, personal finance and wealth management, investing and cryptocurrency, productivity and digital literacy. She navigates to her YouTube page, absorbed in comments and strategizing her next video. "I'm not just creating content," she declares. "I'm building a community where knowledge is shared and futures are shaped." On bustling Nigerian streets, people are captivated by Jane Francis videos, their faces lit by the screen's glow. "Together we grow, together we rise," Jane Francis says. Jane Francis smiles, her eyes reflecting the light of her YouTube logo. Looking at her channel, she thanked God for her little wins and said, "Success is not overnight. Consistency is the key." She nods, filled with satisfaction and anticipation for what's to come.
Now that you have seen an example of video I made using this simple tool, I'm going to show you how to recreate something like this now and make some money for yourself. By the way, my name is Jane Francis. If this is the first time I'm coming across my YouTube channel, kindly hit the subscribe button, turn on notification bell so that you get notified whenever I drop awesome videos. Let's go, guys. Alright, now the first thing we need to do is to generate our story idea, that is our story script, using ChatGPT. If you don't have ChatGPT, you can search on your browser www.chat.com, or you can download their app ChatGPT. So I already have it on my phone. You can see it here, ChatGPT. I'm just going to open it. So now we want to generate a simple story. I'm going to recreate something like this, something that we just watched previously. So now we want to generate simple story. So I'm just going to type generate a minute story of a young boy living in Nigeria. Okay, so ChatGPT have just generated our story for us. Like I said before, you don't need to worry or bother about story ideas or story to create. ChatGPT have made every single thing easy for us. So what we are going to do now is to copy the story. We are going to copy the story now. And now we are going to head over to this website, magiclight.ai. We are going to be using it to create our story. So go to magiclight.ai. This is the tool that we are going to be using to create the video. So if you don't have an account with them, just create an account. So me, I have an account with them already, so I'm just going to click on create. So I'm already logged into my account. And if you look at, you can see what you can do with this AI. You can create AI videos, AI characters, and more. So just click on AI video. So here we are going to paste the script we just generated from ChatGPT. The story just generated from ChatGPT. So I'm just going to paste it here. Then you choose the aspect ratio. If you are creating content for YouTube, then you have to choose 16:9. If you're creating for TikTok, Instagram, then you have to choose this one, portrait. So it depends on your need while you are creating the content. The next is to choose video duration. You can see that on the free plan, you can create a video that is up to a minute long. But if you want to create more than that, that means you have to upgrade to their premium plans. But you can still create videos that are more than 1 minute using this platform. The only thing you have to do is you have to do it bit by bit. Then here you choose the language that you want your video. Choose the language. The next thing is style. The style you want for the video. So you can see the 3D cartoon, Disney, Epic, and the rest of them. So you choose the one that works best for you. If you want the video to be realistic, to look like human beings, then you have to choose this one. You have to choose realistic. You can see it here. You have to choose realistic. So, but for this, I'm going for 3D cartoon, and you click on next. So it's story analyzing. It's analyzing our story. So you can see how it analyzes, and the good part is that you can edit it to your taste. Like the parts that you don't like, you can always edit it. So I'm just going to click on next. So here you are going to choose the character, and according to the story I requested, it has only one character, that is Tunde, a young boy that is living in Nigeria. So I'm just going to choose a character for Tunde, and Tunde is a male. You can see Tunde, uh gender male, character. If you want to create, maybe you don't like the list of characters they have here, you can just create one for yourself using this option, create. You can just create a character. You can upload your image and give it a description, and it's going to generate a character for you. So I'm just going to choose a character for Tunde. uh I think I like this one. So here you can see the voiceover for Tunde. Let's check out this voice.
Life was like a box of chocolates. You never know what you're gonna get.
I don't like this voice actually. I think there's one I use. Okay, Williams.
Life was like a box of chocolates. You never know what you're gonna
Oh,
get.
this one is a boy. Well, let's just leave it with this voice team, because I'll choose a voice over later. Well, let's just leave it with this voice, and you click on OK. The next thing is to click on next. So it is generating our storyboard now. So now after like a minute or 30 seconds, the AI has generated our storyboard. You can see the storyboard they generated for us using the character I chose. So here you can add edit each storyboard to your text. Let's say this particular one, let's say I want to edit this one. I'll just click on edit. So you can see the voiceover. If you want the character to be speaking, like if you want the character to be speaking, all you have to do is to click here where it says voiceover. Click on it and you choose Tunde. It means on that particular scene, Tunde is going to be the one speaking on that scene. You get that? It's kind of lip syncing to the audio. But for this video, this is going to be for the narrator. It's only the narrator that I want to be speaking in this video. So I'm just going to choose voiceover and not Tunde. So, but if in case the video you are creating, you want the character to be speaking, this is how to do it for each particular scene. Then here you can see a list of voices that they have. You can see a list of voices that they have. So I'm just going to choose the one that suits.
Amidst the vibrant chaos of Alago Street, Tunde rises with the dawn, ready to face the day.
So this is Tim, but I don't like his voice. This one is Mata.
Amidst the vibrant chaos of a Lagos street, Tunde rises with the dawn, ready to face the day.
So this one is matter. Excuse me. Then now you can scroll and choose. You can see a variety of voices that they have. So this one is my favorite. I like his voice and everything.
Amidst the vibrant chaos of a Lagos street, Tunde rises with the dawn, ready to face the day.
So I think I prefer this voice William. So I'm just going to choose okay. So you can see saved success. So this is how you can edit each scene to your taste. So the next thing is to click on next. So if you want to animate all the scenes, like everything will be moving and stuff like that, you're just going to click on this one, animate all, which is for pro version. If you click on it, let me show you. If you click on it, you can see that animate all is for pro version, but on the free version, you can animate it one by one. You can see the options that you have. The only one that is free on the free version is the lip sync, which is this one. So the only thing is that it's going to stress you. You have to animate each scene one after the other to get your desired taste. But for this video, I'm going for a simple story. I'm not going into animation or anything. I'm still going to create a video on animation, on how to animate each scenes, easy way to create animation videos easily, that lip sync and do all those stuff. So I'm still going to create a video on that. If you want me to create a video on that, do it to comment in the comment section. But for this tutorial, we are going for a simple video that you can just be creating and uploading and making some money for yourself without stressing yourself. So I'm just going to cancel this. Just click on next. Instead of clicking on animate, just click on next. You can see, hold on a moment. So here you can choose the header style. For me, I don't want to choose anything. I'm just going to click on none. And the next thing is subtitle. The next thing is subtitle, then music. So I'm just going to choose the subtitle. You can see the subtitle. You can choose the styles that you want for the video. You can choose the one that suits you the most. So I'm just going to go for the first one, and then you choose a music. This is going to be the background music playing in the background of the video. So you can see a variety of ones here. So this is the variety of background songs that they have, and I think it's copyright free. So I'm just going to choose the background song for this one. I'm going to choose this one. And I'm going to reduce the volume because I don't like the background music to be higher than the voiceover. So just reduce it. This is for professionals. I'm now giving a pro tip out for those that are into video editing. So now you're just going to click on generate. So you can see the video ratio. This is 16:9. So click on OK. Says hold on a moment. So it is generating our video for us. So guys, our video is ready. I'm just going to play the video so you can see what we just generated using magic light.
Amidst the vibrant chaos of a Lagos street, Tunde rises with the dawn, ready to face the day. He steps out into the bustling street, joining the throng of children on their way to school. Tunde moves through the crowded Lagos market, a symphony of scents and sounds swirling around him. He pauses briefly, purchasing puff puff and akara, savoring the sweet flavor. The market bursts with life, a reflection of Lagos' chaotic energy. Tunde sits in the classroom, listening with rapt attention, his hand rising with youthful curiosity. The classroom buzzes with the bright-eyed dreams of children, each face a canvas of hope and aspiration. Tunde's eyes shine with unwavering determination as he envisions his future as an engineer. On the sandy school field, Tunde and his friends chase their makeshift football under the warm afternoon sun. Their laughter rings out as they play football, their joy echoing despite the humble surroundings. The setting sun casts long shadows, painting the field in hues of gold and amber as they continue their game. In the dim glow of a kerosene lamp, Tunde is studying with unwavering focus. The flickering light casts shadows around him, symbolizing the challenges and the hope. His determination burns brighter than the darkness, promising a future beyond the shadows.
So guys, you can see what we just generated using Magic Light AI. So I'm just going to click on download to download this video. You can see download successful. So I'm going to play it on my phone as well so that you can see that it has no watermark or anything else. So here we are on my phone. I'm going to play the video we just downloaded from Magic Light AI. So you can see for yourself that it has no watermark or anything.
Amidst the vibrant chaos of a Lagos street, Tunde rises with the dawn, ready to face the day. He steps out into the bustling street, joining the throng of children on their way to school. Tunde moves through the crowded Lagos market, a symphony of scents and sounds swirling around him. He pauses briefly, purchasing puff puff and akara, savoring the sweet flavor. The market bursts with life, a reflection of Lagos' chaotic energy. Tunde sits in the classroom, listening with rapt attention, his hand rising with youthful curiosity. The classroom buzzes with the bright-eyed dreams of children, each face a canvas of hope and aspiration. Tunde's eyes shine with unwavering determination as he envisions his future as an engineer. On the sandy school field, Tunde and his friends chase their makeshift football under the warm afternoon sun. Their laughter rings out as they play football, their joy echoing despite the humble surroundings. The setting sun casts long shadows, painting the field in hues of gold and amber as they continue their game. In the dim glow of a kerosene lamp, Tunde is studying with unwavering focus. The flickering light casts shadows around him, symbolizing the challenges and the hope. His determination burns brighter than the darkness, promising a future beyond the shadows.
So guys, this brings us to the end of this video. By the way, my name is John Francis. If this is your first time of coming across my YouTube channel, kindly hit the subscribe button. Turn on your notification bell so that you get notified whenever I drop awesome video. Peace.